Hi, this is Tammy with the Second Time's a Charm. Welcome to the Treat Yourself collab. This collab is between me and 6 other lovely ladies. There we are. And yeah, we do a collab every month on the 20th, and this is our theme for this month. It's Treat Yourself. It's basically making and doing things for yourself. And lately I am into kind of fun, quirky, silly home decor, things that make me smile, things that make me laugh, things that make me feel good. So this first project it's actually a tray I had worked on in a prior video, and I had finished it and I was gonna sell it, and then I broke the mirror in it. So yeah, I'm really clumsy and I do that kind of stuff a lot. But so new plan, and yeah, so I'm spraying over the frame and making it just all this matte black. And then I cut out this dark denim fabric for the bottom of the tray. This will cover the hard cardboard part that has the little feet. And I started out by, I pretty much did staple all of it to this section, but I found out later that didn't work out, so I don't show me doing all the stapling. And then I also cut out a piece of foam board with this section, maybe to adhere the top fabric to. And I didn't show this in the video, but I actually tried Mod Podging first this other fabric that had these kind of pictures of foxes that were dressed up like hipsters, and it was super cute and really cool. But for some reason it just didn't work out, even though I'm pretty sure I've Mod Podged to foam board before. I don't know why it didn't work out, but it looked terrible. It didn't work at all. It didn't stay stuck to it at all. The finish looked bad. It might have been that I was using old Mod Podge, because all I had left was gloss and I never use it, and it kind of smelled a little different. I don't know. It just didn't work out. So then I switched to this fabric because I didn't have enough to do another piece of the other fabric. And this is this really cute unicorn fabric. And I just ended up hot gluing it to the back of the foam board instead of Mod Podging it. So it's not going to have a finish. It's just going to be soft on the top. It's just going to be fabric. And then, here I am. I'm removing all the staples and just hot gluing the denim to this bottom piece. The staples just stuck out too much, and it made it so I couldn't glue the two sections together, and they didn't fit in the frame. So I removed all the staples, and I hot glued everything, and then I glued the two pieces together before putting them in the frame, so that if I sell it and if for some reason the customer takes it apart, they won't see how it's a little messy between the two pieces. It's all secured. And then you just put nails in the little holes in the tray, and that keeps everything together. So project 2, I like to collect game pieces, and I have all these Scrabble pieces that I've been collecting, and I just thought, wouldn't it be cool and hilarious if I just picked out like little quotes from like shows and movies and just, things that just, make me laugh and that I enjoy. And so that's what I did. I had a lot of fun choosing different quotes. I ran out of the little racks, unfortunately, to stick the tiles in, so I was only able to do 4 of these. And if you're an Office fan, you might have figured out what this quote is, because it's from The Office, which is like my favorite show. So yeah, there it is. If you're enjoying these, you know, like and share the video. If you like watching home decor and furniture flips, consider subscribing to my channel. Go check out the other videos, see if it's the kind of stuff you're into. I do all kinds of different styles, and yeah, check it out. This next one, this is from The Big Lebowski. It's a very popular kind of cult classic type movie. And this other one that I'm doing now is between Princess Leia and Han Solo. I believe it's The Empire Strikes Back. And the last one is Star Trek, Spock, obviously. As you can tell, I'm a big old dork, and I don't know, I thought these were so cool. I'll probably keep at least one of these sets and sell the others. And then this last one, this lady on Facebook Marketplace was selling this cross-stitch picture of a Scotty dog for only $1. So I definitely wanted it. I think it's amazing. It's actually really old. You'll be able to tell from the condition of the inside of it. Like, yeah, that tape is kind of nasty, but it was pretty old. It was in pretty rough shape. But yeah, really, I just thought it was just a fun, cute picture that I just really wanted. So I'm taking it all apart so I can give it an update. And I've had this picture for about a month now, and I just kind of, you know, cleaned it up and had it hanging up, and I've been giving him different names throughout the time I've had him, but nothing quite stuck. And yeah, so here I'm just gonna chalk paint the mat, because I didn't really like the color of green. It didn't make much sense to me for the mat to be the exact same color as the cross stitch, and I also wanted to give it like an update, kind of make it more modern looking. I wasn't sure if you could just paint a mat like this, but apparently you can. I painted it with chalk paint, and it worked just fine. And this part, I didn't have the video settings on my camera right, so I'm sorry that it's a little small. But here I'm just painting the frame itself with a dark gray chalk paint, which actually ended up matching one of the colors in the cross stitch like perfectly. So that worked out great. And I did paint, or rather spray Topcoat the frame as well. And so I had this little plate that I wasn't sure what to do with for a while, and I remembered I had it. I'm like, all right, his name is Anaconda now. It's just, that's what it is. So I hope you enjoyed these quirky fun flips, and you know, that they brightened your day and maybe gave you some ideas for little fun things you could do. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Comment below which one your favorite is. Anaconda wants you to vote for him. But yeah, vote for your favorite and go watch the other videos and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.